Okay, so this example has y equals in both. Since they both equal y, that means my right sides over here have to equal each other. So I set them both equal. And now I just solve for x. I'm going to add x over, divide by -4, and x equals -6. However, you're not done. We need the y also. You can plug it into either. I'm just going to pick the second guy. -5 times -6 is a positive 30. So your coordinate point is -6, 30. Okay, so we're always going to look for the lone variable. X is all by itself here. So that means I am going to replace this x in my first equation with that -3y. So -6 in parentheses, since I'm substituting it in, and solve. -6 times -3 is a positive 18. 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10y equals 50. Y equals 5. Again, I'm not done though. Now I have my y point. I need my x. So I'm going to replace my y in the second one. Since x is already all by itself, that makes it a whole lot easier. -3 times 5 is -15. So my x equals -15, and this is my answer. Alright, so whenever we're trying the substitution method, we have to find a lone variable. We don't want to use the substitution without a lone variable. X is all by itself in the first one. X is equal 6y minus 7. So there's an x in my second one. So I'm going to replace that x with that 6y minus 7. So it's going to say 3 parentheses, since I'm substituting in for that x, minus 8y equals -31. 18y minus 21, I use the distributive property. Combine like terms. Ooh. Add 21. Divide. Y equals -1. Again, I have my y value. I need to find my x. X is already the lone variable here, so it's easier to plug into the first one for my y. 6 times -1 is -6. -6 minus 7 is -13, so my x equals -13. And that's my answer.